So have you ever been wanting to actually change your download folder location, but didn't really know how to do it on the Mac? Well, in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can change the download folder location so that you can just have it go wherever you want. Now, if you have been on a Mac for a while, you know that typically on a Mac, your download folder is where all your downloads go. But sometimes, like with me, I have a Google Drive that I use. And so when I download something from Safari or from Chrome or what have you, I typically would like it to download into my Google Drive. But typically on Chrome and Safari, when you go and download, it goes straight to the download folder. Then I got to take it from there and go ahead and move it on over to my Google Drive. Well, in Chrome and Safari, both browsers, you can, and this is also true for other browsers such as Brave and such, but you can, in each browser, change that location. So here we are with Chrome opened up here. Okay, and if you go over here and go down to settings, in this section you have a long list of things you can do here, but we want you to go down to downloads. Okay, when you go down to downloads, you can change the location of your download folder by clicking change here and then choosing the location. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do it because I've already done it on mine, but that's typically how you would change it. Now, on Safari, you can do the same thing. Let's open that up real quick. If you go up here to Safari at the top and click on Settings, on the General tab, you can change your download location by here, File Download Location, and you can change it to wherever you want it to go. Okay? Don't use Safari, but just in case I ever do, let me go ahead and change that for myself. So that's typically how you change it. Now, there is a cool app that I found that helps me keep track of that, even though I've already changed it on Safari and Chrome, and it's kind of nice to have. You might want it. I got it a long time ago. It helps me stay a little bit more organized, but there's a cool little app called Hazel. Let me open that up for you real quick. All right, and here you can set your download folder to whatever you want as well. And if you just want to have Hazel, now this costs like $42 to have this, but it has a lot of cool functionality of moving stuff from one folder, and what it does is it watches that folder in certain criteria it has. Maybe if you download a picture, you want it to go to your picture folder in your iCloud, right? Or maybe if you download a music file, you want to go to the music folder on your Mac, right? So here I just have it watching for my downloads. Anything that goes into downloads, no matter where it came from, typically automatically moves it all the way over into your inbox. It's kind of overkill because, like I say, I've already set up Chrome and Safari for that, but I just thought I'd mention that it has a lot more functionality than what I'm even using it for. Like I say, maybe you download a PDF and it goes to your download folder. You can set this up to transfer that PDF over to your documents folder on your Mac, right? So you can split all these different things depending on the file types or whatever, right? So I think it's a pretty cool program. $42, one-time purchase. It's pretty reasonable, I think. And it's really been nice. I might utilize it later to do a little bit more organizing on my Mac, but I did want to mention that to y'all as well. So I hope this episode was informative for you. And if it was, like always, click that like button right down below. And if you haven't seen any kind of episodes like this before and you want to kind of, see what else I got to put out, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.